Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, these all mean to laugh. Maybe scream would be the 4th one that goes in that group. I'm a little bit worried by these 4, because when they have 4 where it's relatively obvious that they could all fit in the same group, that group being they're all pronounced dough, then either that is indeed a group, or occasionally they all go into different groups. So I'm a little bit concerned about going for these 4, just because that would mean those 4 probably are a group. What else? I think it's probably worth a shot, though. Oh, it's one away! Oh, a riot! A riot could replace any of those, actually. The reason that I thought it was worth a shot is because I could already see that these 4 were a group, and then I could see the 4 doughs, and I thought that might just be the puzzle solved, but clearly not. Do I go for these 4? They're all sort of noises that animals might make. But are they? Because a buck and a fawn are names for an animal, whereas a squawk and a cluck are sounds that they would make. So I'm not confident about that either. Doe, of course, could go with buck and fawn. But then what would the 4th one be? Not certain. What are we going to do instead? Do I just go for the 4 doughs, because then I'll know one way or another? I think I have to, because I can't see anything that D-O-U-G-H or D-O-H could be. Yeah, they're just homophones. That was obvious. I shouldn't have doubted it. Right. So what did we have? We had laugh, cackle, scream, and hoot, didn't we? So one of these is going to be replaced with a riot. You can be a hoot, you can be a riot, you can have a cackle, and you can have a laugh. Oh, but maybe cackle goes with cluck and squawk as an animal noise. But then maybe hoot does as well. Oh, this is quite tricky. Freeze, fight, and flight are ones that I haven't really mentioned yet. Fight or flight are just, it's a mechanism, isn't it? But that's obviously just a group of 2, not 4. Huh. And I don't know how that links to freeze. Do I risk these 4? Did I already risk these 4? I can't remember, so let's go for it. It's one away as well. Oh no. Fawn, buck, squawk, and cluck. I really do think cackle is going to go in that group, so maybe I should try these 4. Yeah, okay, so those are all the giggling words. So that means if cackle does go in this group, that means it is just going to be these 4, which I thought it was, but I don't know what links them. You can change the F. Do I just go for the 4 that start with an F? Can you change the F to make a different word? Breeze. Bite. Blight. I'm really not confident of this. Dawn. Lawn. I don't see how that could work. But they do all start with F, which is very suspicious, so I'm going to risk it. They're just stress responses, are they? I know fight and flight are. I suppose freeze makes sense. No idea what fawn means in that context. I just know it as in fawning over someone. That's the opposite of being stressed. That's flattering them. Anyway, clearly it's these 4, and they are all noises a chicken makes. Yeah, we had hoot in that group as well earlier, didn't we? That was a tricky one. There were a few red herrings there. Trickiest one for ages, actually. As in, I've struggled with some of the others recently, but that's the most red herrings I've spotted. Either way, did solve the puzzle, but not quite perfect. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.